In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to crochet spiral element in freeform technique. For work, you need 2 balls of yarn and a crochet hook. I will work with 2 yarns. Begin the work. Chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Chain to bring up the yarn. Make 5 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3 half double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, and 3. Then 5 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I will work into the first round. I will work with back loops of the stitches. Make double crochet into the chain stitch and double crochet into the same chain stitch. Make double crochet twice into the next back loop. And camel loop. Make double crochet twice into the 2 loops. We have 2 loops on the hook and make double crochet twice. 1 and 2. Make double crochet twice into the next 2 loops. Make double crochet twice into the next 2 loops. Continue double crochet twice into the next 2 loops. Make double crochet twice into the next 2 loops. Make treble crochet twice into the next 2 loops. First one and the second one. Make treble crochet twice into the next 2 loops. First one and make the second one. Make treble crochet twice. Make double treble crochet stitch twice into the next 2 loops. 1 and 2. And make double treble crochet stitch one more time into the same stitch. Make double treble crochet stitch into the next 2 loops. Let's look what we have. Here how it looks. You can continue the work and crochet 2 more rounds. As you remember, I began from the single crochet to the double treble crochet stitch. I'm gonna to crochet reverse single crochet trim. I use other color of yarn, join other color of yarn, make a chain, work with front loops and make reverse single crochet into each front loop of the stitch. Insert the hook into the front loop, take the working yarn, pull up a loop and pull through 2 loops. Continue. Continue working in this way till the beginning of this work. I have done the trim. Here what we have. This is the 3D trim. Today we have learned how to crochet other kind of the spiral element in freeform technique. For more video tutorials, please visit our website cherylknitting.com. Thanks for watching. We are pleased to inform you that we have opened membership service on our website. Membership includes an access to the video tutorials which are published every week, only at cherylknitting.com and only for members. For more detailed information, please visit the membership page at cherylknitting.com. Thanks for watching.